You're going to have some bad days. Not everything's going to go right. The unintended accidents, the unexpected breakup or dumping or firing, the just that didn't work out the way I wanted to, the unexpected payment you now have to make, some bad news from a former relationship, a former scenario. There's so many reasons our days can go bad. But I will tell you, the philosophy I have adopted, two messages I really want to tell you today to motivate you to get you going for the week, to capture a little bit of momentum and not let these bad days stop you, is that what if you started to look at everything as everything's working for you instead of against you? See, I decided a few years ago to make an attitude shift, and I want to share that with you right now. When I start the show, I always share this terrible rendition of me singing, "It's gonna be a good day today." And my voice is pitchy and it doesn't sound good. And you may have the same response I had when I was laying in bed at 6 a.m. and my dad was outside of my room singing that, because the kitchen was right outside of my room, and he's getting ready and he's happy and he's made up his mind, his approach to the day, and he's singing it to himself in just as bad a voice. I inherited that. Thank you, Dad. Oh, I just want to go back to bed. Why are you singing that song? It was an attitude, it was a mentality for my daddy, making up his mind at the beginning of the day of how he was going to approach the day. That does not mean the day was going to go well. The day could still go bad, but how are you showing up to it? Because wherever you are, there you'll be. So my message today, to fix bad days for the rest of your life, okay? To overcome them quickly, move on from them fast, no matter what hits you, no matter how ugly the day looks, you get to decide the attitude you bring. You can't always have a good day, but you can face a bad day with a good attitude. Around Livingood Daily, the number one core value that we have established for ourselves, for our team, the number one standard, the most important thing that we will bring and show up every single day here is attitude. It is not the only thing, but it's the most important thing you can bring to the equation, because you could be completely incompetent on how to go about fixing your weight problem or your blood pressure issue. You could be completely incompetent of how you're ever going to overcome Crohn's disease. You could be completely incompetent of how you're going to get a promotion at work. You could be completely incompetent of how you're going to fix the water heater that broke that you know nothing about. You could be completely incompetent of how to fix your car that now you have to have a mechanic and call a tow truck and you're going to be late for your meetings. You could be completely incompetent in those things. But the most important thing you can bring to any of those scenarios is your attitude. Do you constantly or consistently complain about things, or look at the negatives of things, or talk negatively about yourself? Or do you bring a good positive attitude to say, I know it's a challenge right now, but it's just that. It's a challenge. We're going to get it figured out. I know it doesn't look good today. I know that thing's not going to get cleaned up for the next 2 months. I know that's going to hurt. I know my pride is damaged. I know that I'm really sad right now, but I know I'm going to get through it. I know I can learn from it. I know it can all be used for good on the other side of it. You can't always have a good day, but you can face a bad day with a good attitude. Attitude check. Where's yours at today? It's the most important thing. It's not everything, but it's the most important thing you can bring to any equation, any challenge, any problem, any scenario you are facing in your life. So I wanted to challenge you today to start flipping your perspective and make the decision, I'm going to start looking at everything as working for me instead of against me. That the problems, the bad thing, what she did, that loss, that sadness, that depressive state, that pain, that can actually be used for you, for good. Something can come out of the other side of it. That attitude in life sure makes it different, of not having a bad day and bringing a good attitude to those bad moments in life that make us human, that help us grow. Flip it around today, peeps. Flip the frown to a smile. Approach it differently. No matter how bad it is, You get to choose your attitude. No one can make you mad. No one can make you sad. No one can keep you from being upbeat or happy or looking at the bright side of things. You get to decide that. That's the beauty of it. So I don't know if you're with me, but it's gonna be a good day today. And even if it isn't, I'm gonna bring a good attitude. There it is. All right, peeps, go bring a good attitude for it. And if you need extra help, I put a video right here for you in the description and right here to help you eliminate one word that is holding you back from success. The battle's won up here. So I think that's the next video you should check out. Go there now.